So for today's video on the beauty of Christmas, I'm going to be doing this kind of glam holiday makeup look. So if you want to watch the entire series, it will be in the description and up in the cards. So if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. I forgot to film it. I'm going to use my bronzer from Rimmel. This is in the color Sunlight. I just use this big fluffy Sonia Kashuk blush brush. Then I'm going to go into my blush. There it is. I'm going to go in with a highlight from the L'Oreal Nude palette. And just take my finger, just go right here. And go right here. And the nose. And then I'm actually going to use a brush to highlight the Cupid's bow. I'm gonna go in with this blending brush, or a fluffy brush, and just blend everything. Now we're gonna do eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use this big eyeshadow palette. And my eyes are already primed. And now I'm gonna move you guys closer. This brush from Echo Tools. This is a lip brush. I thought this was like a really small brush to use. So I'm going to take a red shade first. I'm just going to apply that on the outer part of my crease. And I'm going to actually start the green right in here, and then now with a different brush, I'm going to take a green color and just apply it like right. Now I'm going to take my concealer palette and start doing the cut crease part. And I'll take this one again. Okay, so I'm just going to clean off this brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this shade right here, this concealer, and then use the same lip brush to cut the crease. What I actually like to do is I actually like to set the concealer after I cut the crease. And I just use my loose powder for that. And just using this Sonia Kashuk brush. Just kind of lightly set into this big palette, and I'm going to use this silver shade right here. I'm going to use that on top of the concealer. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to add just like a little blue kind of speck of stuff. So I'm going to use this one from Sephora. This is the smudger brush. I'm going to take this color right here. I'm only going to get a little bit of it on the brush. Wasn't in frame, sorry. kind of adds just like a little bit of a frosty kind of winter. So I'm gonna take that same kind of frosty teal color and put that as a drop shadow underneath the lower lash line. It wasn't filming. Okay, so I'm gonna take the same green kind of teal shade and then just put that in the inner corner. Okay, so I did my let's see, my mascara off camera. On the top lashes, I used my Maybelline, the Falsies Lash Lift mascara, and then the bottom I used the CoverGirl, the Supersizer mascara on the bottom. So for lips, I actually wanted to do a nude lip because I didn't want the lips to be so distracting from the eye look, because the eye look is like really dramatic and really awesome, and yeah, but yeah, I am going to be wearing this makeup look on Christmas actually, so I also wanted to do just like a nude lip. So first we're going to start with a lip liner. This is the NYX one. This is in Soft Spoken. Okay. And then we'll go to the CoverGirl Star Wars The Force Awakens lipstick. I would stop there, but I actually want to add a little bit more of a gloss. So I'm using the NYX Butter Gloss in Bit of Honey. Last thing is I'm going to use my DIY finishing spray. Oops. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys tomorrow. Bye!